Anytime I ever try to do any kind of European accent from the continent, it always becomes Russian. This is my German, this is my Italian, this is my Czechoslovakian. How do you get the accent right? Because they're going to be watching to know, and mine is not right.
Next time we're going to call you, man.
You have to feel pressure, because to their culture, this is an important story that you need to get right.
Yeah, for sure, yeah. It's always a bit of sort of anxiety making when you're doing an accent, but you gotta just work at it. And we was helped by what we mentioned, by being in Prague, by having Czech actors. But we had a very good voice coach, dialect coach that we both work with. So yeah, you do your best, but I think the Czech people seem to have accepted it. So I think we got away with it.
Somebody who was alive at that time? Did you talk to historians? How did you immerse yourself in these gentlemen?
Well, you know, you mentioned the fact that the film is shot like in Prague, and it's as authentic, I think, you can expect for a film like this. You know, and so every day it's there, it's present. You know, and there's with a Czech crew and Czech actors, and you know, I think the thing that affected both of us, if I can speak for Jamie, like, was going to the actual church and seeing the actual bullet holes, seeing where the hand grenades had exploded, and feeling the energy and the atmosphere in there. It was very kind of profoundly humbling, you know, and moving. So all of that, it's great, because you feel like it's there the whole time, and it does affect and inform your process, really.